Welcome. This week I'm going to show you two things. We're going to save time creating layouts by copying and pasting, and we're going to create custom links. I went into my weekly layouts for my poolside collection. I lassoed and copied and pasted this weekly layout onto my color blocks layer in my Noteful planner. If you want to see how to set up layers, click the video to the right. So once I lasso and copy and paste last week's sticker layer, I can now go to this new week layout and click and paste the layout for this week and drag it around. I am going to go ahead and start organizing my week. I find that when I do this, I can see where I'm going to be really busy and schedule in some reset time to just not overwhelm myself. A new habit I've been doing is I've been setting the intention for the week. So the three things I want to get done this week is I want to move middle kid closer to being ready for college. I need to move my September collection closer to the launch on August 1st. And I am really trying to slow down and not rush through everything, because I just have this thing where I'm constantly busy and I'm always doing stuff, and I'm trying to break that habit and just be more intentional about what I do and giving myself space to just decompress. It's summer. It's the last summer before middle goes off to college, and I really want to enjoy this summer. So I'm also going to set that intention. All right, I see I made a mistake. Not a big deal. I'm going to go and grab my lasso tool and circle the word dentist, because I need to move that over to Monday. So not only can I lasso and move the text, I can click style, and now I can change the color. And I'm going to continue filling out Monday's to-dos. And again, I can circle it and use the lasso function to drag the text, to stretch it larger or smaller, or change the color. So I'm going to shift this over so it looks a little bit nicer. And now we're going to create custom links. We're going to go to the index page of the Midyear Planner, and I want to create a custom link to a journal section I'm going to create. I'm going to go to the left and click on the squares to grid. Scroll down, select the style of notebook page I want, and copy and paste it. This is page 441. I'm going to click back to index. I'm going to hit the circle with a plus sign and create a text box. To customize this text box, I can click on it. I'm going to use the chalkboard font and select the chalkboard font style that I want. I'm going to click on it again. I can now resize and stretch. Click off and click on, click link to in the notebook, and I'm going to scroll all the way down to that page 441 and select it. I now have a custom link to the journal selection I just made. I can go in and test it and make sure that the link works, and we are good to go. I need more than one page in my journal, so now I'm going to go to page 441. I'm going to copy and paste those pages and put them behind page 441 so that it goes to the correct place. That's it. Join me next week for another layout and more tips.